Amazing morning, everyone. I am Jasper Gueco, your Premier Field Engineer from the Microsoft Services team and also your Microsoft Education Ambassador. And I'm back again to share with you some tips and tricks on your Microsoft tools. I shared with you on how you can set up a multi-camera setup so that you can have immersive online learning experience for your students. But today, let me share with you another tip that will work not only on school but also in the offices. And that tip is how to transfer printed data or printed table into an Excel sheet. Let's find out how. So what I have here is the class schedule of our department during the first semester of school year 2015 to 2016. What I want to do is to put it into an Excel sheet so that I'll have a digital copy of this specific table. And as you would notice, I covered the faculty column because those are full names, so those are considered as PII or personal identifiable information. So I covered it for their protection. So on the next slide, I'm going to show you on how we can achieve this specific process. To achieve this, you need to have Microsoft 365 subscription. This might be your personal subscription or the subscription from your school or your organization. It can either be Microsoft 365 or Office 365. Then you'll have to download the Office application on your smartphone.
To do this, you'll have to create an Excel file on any of your devices since you're on Office 365 or Microsoft 365. You can start off with your phone, your laptop, or on your tablet. But for this demo, I've created my Excel file on my laptop and then upload it on OneDrive. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to open this exact Excel sheet on my phone. So let me just show you my phone. So I'm currently screencasting my phone. So this is my smartphone. What you can see is the Excel file of my phone. So it's the same Excel file on my laptop. So as you would notice, there's an icon here. So this icon is what we call as insert data from a picture button. So all I have to do is click on it, okay? And then here is the actual printed table that I want to transfer to my Excel file. Notice that I've added I removed the surname of our professor again for privacy, but let's see if it will work and let's see if Excel will be able to put it on my Excel sheet. Okay. Okay. So from here, it will tell you if it has successfully captured the table. So if you're not yet satisfied with it, you can actually pinpoint the correct table and then select it using the selection tool. Click on done. It will require some seconds because it will connect to what we call as the Office Intelligence Services. It will use AI so that it will be able, to detect your data and then put it on Excel. So as you would notice, it has detected my table and it has some reviews. Those red items are what we call as reviews. Okay, so it is telling me that hey, we might not be able to get some of the data because as you would notice, some of your data has scribble unknown characters. Like for example, there is an arrow here, there's a scribble here. So like for example, here on methods, um, letter M wasn't able to capture because there's a check mark there. So I'm gonna just click on this one and then I click on edit and then I could add the letter M and then click on done. So perhaps we're done with the review. All you have to do is click on insert and then click on open anyway, and it will now be added to your Excel sheet. So as you would notice, this is my phone. Okay, I will now close it out and it can also be seen on my laptop. I know what you're seeing right now is not the perfect copy of the printed data, but it is intentional because I would want to show to you that even though your data is complicated and has scribbles and annotation, at least you can still copy most of it and then you'll just have to do a simple or a minimal cleanup of your data. If your table is simple, it will definitely copy the whole data from your printed copy to your Excel sheet. Now, since we're already on the discussion of cleaning up the data, I'll just give you some tips and tricks here. So, of course, we'll have to arrange this one, and on your printed data, we have um, selected data to be on middle align or center align. So sometimes it will detect additional spaces, so you'll just have to delete this one and then arrange it based on your table. So as you would notice, faculty has been misplaced here, so we'll just have to move it here. And then we also have to delete some columns, okay? And then you also would notice that some zeros have been turned into letter O's. So all you have to do is to replace this. Just select the column, Control F, okay? Replace the letter O and then replace it with 0 and then click replace all and then click OK and your letter O's are now zeros. And then you would notice that there's also some dots here which supposedly should be colon rather. So in order to change that again, click on Control F, replace, click the dot, and then add colon, and then click replace all, and then you're done. So at least you don't have to type everything, and you'll have to do what you'll have to do next is just to clean and sanitize your Excel file.
And that's it for today's tips and tricks. See you on the next video. Keep safe and healthy. Bye bye.